May new National Bookstore X Beanie Back to School collection na, and us Blooms of course won't let this pass. May mga nasa wishlist namin from our last video na meron na sa new collection na to, kaya super excited kami to get them. So we got some from their online stores, then sumugod kami sa Rockwell ulit to get the ones na laging sold out online. Here's our quick review. Let's start with these writing notebooks. $29 each and it comes in 8 colors. They're bound notebooks with red and blue guidelines. So parang the ones we used in grade school. Yung spiral notebooks naman, $35 each. Perfect for school, office, or for personal note-taking. Love the notebook covers featuring all 8 Beanie members' chibi characters. Pareho silang medyo manipis yung paper or yung pages. So if sign pen ginamit mo, tatagos siya. But if you use a ball pen like yung NBS X Beanie ball pen, no issues naman. Next is the Beanie coloring book. It's 99 pesos. Title niya is A Magical Adventure. Super cute ng line art, may story pa. Sana lang sinabayan nila ng color pens, but this is the perfect gift for mini blooms. Next naman is their Beanie magnet set, featuring the girls' chibi heads. $75 per magnet set and you get all 8 na. Pwede sa ref, whiteboard, or some metal surfaces. Sakto lang yung pagka-strong ng magnets, kumakapit naman. Ingat lang pag tinatanggal kasi baka matuklap yung gilid. Got 2 sets, yung isa nasa gilid na ng ref namin. Love it! The Beanie Sling bags naman, they're $199 each, tapos may 2 free Beanie charms na. Waterproof na silicone naman yung material. Pero kasi walang protective cover yung butas for the charms, so pwedeng mapasukan yung loob ng ulan or dirt. So ingat na lang para di mabasa o madumihan yung laman. Lightweight lang siya, ay yung sling strap is parang pang lanyard. Okay naman kasi cute, kaya bet na bet ng nanay ko rin. We got all 4 colors. Orange, beige, brown, and black na laging sold out. Meron ring NBSX Beanie na charm sets na $99 each set. May 3 designs, Beanie logo and icons, Beanie chibi heads, and the girls' names. Made with rubber siya and ang ganda ng colors. They're supposed to fit perfectly sa Beanie sling bag. Medyo effort lang ilagay pero cute pa rin naman ang results. Look, pwede rin tong charm sa favorite slippers mo. Next is the Beanie hot and cold tumblers, priced at $3.99 each. Medyo mahal siya for its size, so we got one lang. Black na lagi ring sold out. Cute with all the Beanie chibi head prints, and functional kasi double-walled stainless steel daw, kaya perfect for staying hydrated wherever you go. Comes with a silicone boot na rin, kaya sulit naman. Finally, the Beanie keychain blind boxes. Actually, nagulat kami na blind box siya kasi alam nating maggastos yun, diba? But ang cute kasi so we couldn't help it. We got 3 each set online, then we bought 8 per set sa store. Start tayo sa super cute na 3D keychains. It's $125 each and you get a random Beanie chibi head keychain. Made with rubber, tapos may wristbands din. Medyo mabigat ang usual keychains, pero ganda ng quality niya. 6 of 8 pa lang na Beanie nakuha namin, wala pa si Stacko and Gwen. So may 5 dupes kami na up for trade. The Beanie acrylic keychains naman, $49 each. Super light and cute din. Akala namin may gasgas lahat, pero may protective film pa pala. Ang ganda rin ng print, so sana magtagal. 6 of 8 din nakuha namin, wala si Gwen and Colette. So may 5 ulit kami na for trade. That's it. Overall, must buy sa amin tong National Bookstore X Beanie Back to School items. They're perfect gifts for yourself and for fellow blooms. Ikaw, ano mga NBS X Beanie items ang nabili mo? Share nyo naman sa comments.